In this video, we review eToro versus Plus500. Have you used eToro or Plus500 before? What was your experience? Leave your eToro or Plus500 review in the comments section below. In the world of online trading, eToro and Plus500 are two of the most well-known names, each offering unique features and services for traders of all experience levels. While both platforms offer access to a wide range of financial instruments, their differences in trading tools, fees, and user experiences can significantly influence which one a trader might prefer. eToro is one of the largest social trading platforms globally, with over 30 million registered users. Its unique selling point is the social trading aspect, where traders can share strategies, insights, and even automatically copy the trades of successful investors. This feature has gained a lot of attention in recent years, particularly among novice traders who seek to follow the lead of more experienced market participants. On the other hand, Plus500 has a more traditional approach to online trading, focusing primarily on contracts for difference, CFDs, across a range of asset classes. With a user base also numbering in the millions, Plus500 is regarded as a more straightforward platform for those who prefer a no-frills approach to trading, offering tight spreads and an intuitive interface. When comparing these platforms, one of the most notable differences lies in their fees and commissions. eToro charges no commission on stock trades, making it an attractive option for those interested in investing in equities. However, it does impose a spread, which can vary depending on the asset being traded. Plus500, in contrast, also does not charge commission on trades but generally has wider spreads than eToro. While Plus500's fee structure is typically more straightforward, eToro's social trading and investment copy options add a layer of complexity that may appeal to those who wish to engage in more interactive trading. Another significant distinction is the range of tradable assets. eToro offers a broader array of financial instruments, including stocks, ETFs, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and even more niche markets such as fractional shares and indices. Its offering of cryptocurrencies, particularly, is extensive, including popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more obscure altcoins. Plus500, while offering a comprehensive selection of CFDs, focuses on a narrower range of instruments. It includes stocks, commodities, Forex, and indices, but lacks the variety of investment options available on eToro, particularly in terms of cryptocurrencies. This may be a key deciding factor for traders who wish to diversify their portfolios across multiple asset classes. The user interface and overall experience are another key area where the two platforms diverge. eToro's interface is designed with a social and community-driven experience in mind. Its dashboard is visually appealing and intuitive, but the wealth of social features may overwhelm those who prefer a more streamlined trading environment. Plus500, in contrast, offers a much simpler design that is well-suited for more technical traders who want to focus primarily on price action and market analysis without the distractions of social feeds and copy trading options. Plus500's user interface has received praise for its simplicity, but some users may find it lacks the depth and educational tools available on eToro. Security is always a primary concern for traders, and both platforms take this seriously. eToro is regulated by several financial authorities, including the FCA in the UK and ASIC in Australia, making it a trustworthy option for traders in multiple regions. Plus500 is also regulated by major financial authorities, such as the FCA, SISEC, and ASIC, providing a similar level of security for users. However, Plus500's reputation for customer service has sometimes come under scrutiny, with some traders reporting slower response times and issues with account verification. eToro, on the other hand, has generally garnered positive reviews for customer support, though it's not without occasional complaints about delays. In terms of account types, both platforms cater to different types of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. eToro's social trading aspect, along with its educational tools, makes it a strong choice for novice traders, while experienced investors may appreciate the ability to engage in more complex strategies, including the use of leverage and margin. Plus500, being more focused on CFD trading, may appeal more to traders who are already familiar with the mechanics of online trading and are looking for a no-nonsense, reliable platform to execute their strategies. While eToro's social trading model is revolutionary, it is not without its drawbacks. The reliance on the success of other traders means that those who choose to copy others' trades are dependent on the accuracy and timing of those trades, which can be risky if the chosen investors perform poorly. Plus500, by contrast, offers a more traditional approach where the responsibility for trade decisions lies solely with the individual, providing more autonomy but less collaborative support. Ultimately, choosing between eToro and Plus500 depends on the individual trader's preferences, experience, and goals. eToro is ideal for those who value social interaction and a more diverse set of investment options, particularly in cryptocurrency. Plus500, on the other hand, offers a more traditional and straightforward CFD trading experience, best suited for those who prefer simplicity and focus on cost-effective, tight spreads. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, but both are trusted and reliable options in the competitive world of online trading.